Hi guys, I just made a Subway style bread. Just put it in the oven. It's about 350 degrees Celsius. Um, just waiting for it to bake. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make Italian style or Subway style sandwich. So this is the fresh bread that we made, Italian style. We have sesame seeds bread, herbs and multigrain bread. So I'm going to start with the herbs and multigrain bread. Just cut it a little bit. And open it up. Wow, so fresh inside. It's pretty warm too. And then I put a little bit of mayo. I don't like to use too much of it, but a little bit just to give you the taste. Then I put a little bit of chicken breast. We air fry it with seasoning. Just put them on top of it, and we put a little bit of lettuce. Just put whatever you like here. I'm going to put lettuce, a little bit of onions, tomato. Some people put cucumbers. I love cucumbers too. And put a little bit of banana pepper. And then close it. And just look at it. It looks so good. So I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes good. So yummy. Thank you for watching the video guys. See you next time.